What's up guys, it's Matt Collins Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today we are talking about Power Automate, we're talking about expressions and functions, and we're going to talk about the uriPath function in the URI parsing functions section. So if you watch my last video on URI host, that allows you to get the host or the domain name of the URI that you're passing in. The path actually brings you back the path of those results and not the full domain or not the domain and the path, just the path itself. So let's take a look at it today. So I'm in my Power Automate flow here, and I've got a manual trigger flow and I've got compose action. So in the compose action, I'm going to click into the inputs, go across to expression, scroll down until we get to the URI parsing functions, and we've got this function here called uriPath. It says returns the path from a URI. If the path is not specified, it returns a slash. So what this is saying is that we are going to get the path from the URI, and the only parameter we are actually asking for is that URI itself. So I'll click URI and it's going to go into the expression editor at the top, and then I need to enter a URI. So URI, like a URL, is a way to uniquely identify like a path or a structure. So we could use something like Google. So we could use HTTP google.com/search/API. So maybe someone is trying to search for some documentation around the API used for Google search, and we can put that in here. If we click OK, it'll go into the inputs there, and we can test this out. Click on test. I'll perform the trigger action, click test. Run the flow, click done, run successfully, and we can see here that it's just returning the path at the end of that domain. So this is the path after that domain. So as it has said in the documentation, if we update this and we actually remove the path, so we don't have a path at the end of here, so just do google.com and update, so hover over, see it's updated, and test this again. We see the output is just a /. So this could be potentially useful, especially if you do a lot of work with document storage, or like file storage or pathways and things like that. So I can see use cases around SharePoint, for instance, when you want to get back a specific path, but you don't always need the domain name, so you can just parse that bit in, especially if you are transferring flows between environments from a UAT to a live. You don't always want to have to specify the whole path and the whole domain. You may just need the path after that. So I can see a lot of implications for that. But as always, I want to know what you guys are using this sort of stuff for. So let me know in the comments down below, or find me on social media. All my contacts are at the end of this video. If you've liked this video, please like and please share it with your friends. It's always appreciated. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.